Have you ever wondered just how powerful your sense of smell really is? The human nose is a marvel of nature, a sensory powerhouse that can detect over 1 trillion distinct scents. Yes, you heard that right, 1 trillion. Imagine a world where every smell is a unique combination, a special key to a memory, a place, or a feeling. That's the world we live in, thanks to the extraordinary capabilities of our noses. There are scent receptors nestled within our nasal passages, each one primed to pick up a different odor molecule. These receptors send signals to our brains, helping us decipher the complex aromatic codes that fill our environment. Our sense of smell doesn't just help us enjoy our meals or appreciate the fragrance of a blooming flower, it's a crucial part of how we perceive and understand the world around us. So the next time you smell a delicious meal or a fragrant flower, remember, your nose is doing some incredible work. Did you know your body is a little bit like a construction site? That might sound strange, but hear me out. Just like the iron in the girders and nails that hold buildings together, there's iron in your body too. Now you might not be able to build a skyscraper with it, but the amount of iron in your body could be used to make a small nail. But what's it doing inside you? Well, it plays a crucial role in the transportation of oxygen in your blood. Hemoglobin, the protein in your red blood cells that carries oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body, needs iron to function. So while it's not constructing buildings, the iron in your body is performing an equally important job, keeping your cells oxygenated and alive. It's a small but crucial part of the intricate machine that is your body. So think of yourself as a living, breathing construction site, building and repairing with the help of the iron within you. What do your stomach and a car battery have in common? If your first guess was nothing, you might be surprised. Both are home to some pretty intense acids. Your stomach, in fact, produces hydrochloric acid, a substance so corrosive it can dissolve razor blades. It's a key player in digestion, breaking down what we eat into a soupy mixture that can be processed further down the line. But here's the twist. If it's so powerful, why doesn't it eat away at the stomach itself? Well, that's thanks to the super-fast regeneration of the stomach lining. The cells in the stomach lining are replaced every few days, which prevents the acid from causing any harm. This process is so efficient that the lining is entirely renewed about twice a week. So your stomach is essentially a self-regenerating, acid-filled powerhouse. It's a remarkable system, one of the many that keep our bodies ticking along day after day. Did you know that you glow in the dark? Yes, you heard that right. We humans are bioluminescent beings. This means our bodies produce and emit light. But before you start looking for your glow in the mirror, let me clarify. This light is about 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can perceive. Now you might wonder, why do we glow if we can't see it? The answer lies in our metabolism. As our bodies break down food and convert it into energy, a process known as metabolic chemical reactions, a tiny amount of light is produced. This light is primarily in the infrared spectrum, beyond our visual range. So, while we can't see our glow, it's fascinating to know it exists. It's like a secret light show that's happening all the time, right beneath our skin, so even in the dark you're shining. Ever wondered what the strongest muscle in your body is? Well, it's not your biceps or your legs, but rather the masseter muscle located in your jaw. This little-known yet incredibly powerful muscle is primarily responsible for the simple act of chewing. The masseter muscle is a thick, rectangular muscle that you can actually feel if you place your hand on the side of your face and clench your teeth. It's this muscle that allows us to break down our food, making it easier for our bodies to digest. But what's truly remarkable about the masseter muscle is the sheer force it can exert. A healthy masseter can apply a force of up to 200 pounds on the molars. That's enough power to crunch through a small apple in one bite. So chew on that, your jaw is a true powerhouse. Do you know how powerful your eyes truly are? Our eyes are marvels of biological engineering capable of distinguishing an astounding 10 million different colors. That's right, 10 million. From the softest pastels to the most vibrant hues, your eyes can perceive a spectrum of color that no artist's palette can replicate. But the magic doesn't stop there. The resolution of the human eye is around 576 megapixels. To put that into perspective, even the most advanced digital cameras on the market cap out at around 100 megapixels. So each time you open your eyes, you're not just seeing the world, you're experiencing it in high definition. You're capturing moments in unparalleled detail and color range, all without the need for a battery or memory card. So the next time you reach for your camera, remember this. Your eyes are the best cameras you'll ever own. Have you ever thought about how far you walk in your lifetime? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? Over the course of an average lifespan, a person covers an astounding distance on foot. Imagine this: if you were to line up all the steps you take, you'd find that you've essentially walked the equivalent of 3 times around the Earth. Yes, you heard that right, 3 times around our planet. This calculation is based on an average person walking about 8,000 steps per day. Now, if you consider a lifespan of about 80 years, it all adds up to a staggering distance. This might seem almost unbelievable, but it's true. Each step we take, whether it's to the kitchen, to the office, or on a scenic trail, contributes to this incredible journey. So, next time you tie your shoes, remember, you're not just walking. You're a world traveler, one step at a time. Ever wondered why your dreams can be so vivid? Well, it's all thanks to the power and activity of your brain during the night. While we're tucked in, dreaming sweet dreams or sometimes nightmares, our brains are hard at work. During sleep, especially during REM or rapid eye movement sleep, our brain activity spikes. This is the stage of sleep where dreams are most likely to occur. But these aren't just any dreams. They're often incredibly vivid, complex, and sometimes even downright bizarre. This is because our brain is processing experiences, emotions, and information from the day. It's essentially doing a deep clean, sorting through the day's clutter and filing away important bits for later. You see, the brain is like an artist at night, painting vibrant dreams with the brush of our subconscious. It's a fascinating process that shows just how complex and extraordinary our brains really are. So, while you're catching Z's, your brain is busy painting dreams. Ever wondered how many atoms make up your body? Well, prepare to be amazed. The human body is a marvel of nature composed of a staggering 7 octillion atoms. Yes, you heard that right, 7 octillion. That's a 7 followed by 27 zeros. Now let's put this into perspective. When we gaze up at the night sky, we're looking at a fraction of the observable universe, which is estimated to contain between 100 billion and 200 billion galaxies. Each of these galaxies is home to hundreds of billions of stars. Yet even this mind-boggling number of stars is less than the number of atoms that make up just one human body. This truly underscores the complexity and wonder of our bodies, every atom playing a part, working in harmony to make us who we are. So within you, there's a universe of atoms, making you who you are. Ever wondered why your sense of taste is so resilient? Well, the secret lies in the rapid regeneration of your taste buds. These tiny sensory organs on your tongue have a pretty tough job, constantly exposed to hot, cold, spicy, sour, and sweet foods. But nature has a way of protecting them. Your taste buds are continually replaced approximately every 10 to 14 days. This constant renewal helps to maintain your sense of taste, ensuring that it stays sharp. It's like having a brand new palate every 2 weeks. This process is essential to our survival, as it helps us identify potentially harmful substances and enjoy the variety of flavors in our diet. So, the next time you're savoring a delicious meal, remember it's all thanks to those hard-working taste buds, continuously rejuvenating themselves. So, your taste buds are constantly rejuvenating, keeping your meals flavorful and delicious.